For Lesson 2, we are going to multiply length and width to find the area of rectangles. Let's take a look at the example. It says the diagram shows the dimensions of Cheyenne's bedroom and closet. Find the total area of the bedroom and closet. So first it says to draw a line to form two rectangles. Label the dimensions of the rectangles formed. So I'm going to draw a line here. So I see that we have a length of 2 meters. I see that we have a width of 1 meter. The closet has a length of 2 meters and a width of 1 meter. The bedroom has a length of 4 meters and a width of 3 meters. Find the area of each room. So the closet will be 2 times 1, which equals 2. So the area of the closet is 2 square meters. The bedroom has a length of 4 meters times the width, which is 3, so that equals 12. So the area of the bedroom is 12 square meters. Next, we need to add the area of each of the rooms. So 2 plus 12 is equal to 14. So the total area is 14 square meters. Let's look at number 5. It says Alejandro divided his garden into 4 equal sections. Each section is 5 feet long and 3 feet wide. What is the area of just one section of the garden? What is the total area of the garden? So first, let's draw a picture. It says that he divided his garden into 4 equal sections. Each section is 5 feet long and 3 feet wide. What is the area of one section of the garden? So let's just look at this section. So remember, area equals length times width. So area is going to equal the length, which is 5, times the width, which is 3. So what is 5 times 3? Write your 5s down 3 times to solve. So the area is equal to 15 square feet. Next, they want to know the total area of the garden. So I have 15 square feet, and then 15 square feet, and 15 square feet, and 15 square feet. So I need to add 15 4 times. So let's stack them up. So let's count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20. Write the 0, carry the 2. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So my answer for the total area is 60 square feet. Let's take a look at number 6. It says to complete the table to find the missing side lengths or area. So for rectangle A, the area we know is A equals length times width. Go ahead and solve the area for rectangle A. Pause the video while you work and replay when you are ready. So I know that A is equal to the length, which is 5, times the width, which is 2. So A is going to equal 5 times 2, which I know is 10 square units. Next, I'm going to take a look at rectangle B. I know that the area is equal to length times width. I see that I'm missing the length, but I have the width and I have the area. So I'm just going to plug in to my formula what I know. So the area for rectangle B was 42. The length I'm not sure about, so I'm going to leave it as L, and the width was 6. So what do I need to do with 42 and 6 to find the missing length? I need to do the opposite operation that it's asking me to use. So the opposite of multiplication is division. So what is 42 divided by 6? Count by sixes to figure this one out. Pause the video while you work, replay when you are ready, or replay when you get stuck. So 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, and 42. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. So 7 is equal to my length. Now let's take a look at rectangle C. Again, we know that area is equal to length times width. We are going to plug in what we know. We know that the area was 27, the length is 9, times the width, which we're not sure about. So what am I going to have to do with 27 and 9 in order to figure out the width? Pause the video while you work to solve for W. Replay when you are ready or if you get stuck. So since I'm given the answer but I'm missing a piece, I'm going to have to do the opposite operation. So the opposite operation of multiplication is division. So 27 divided by 9. So I'm going to write my 9s down until I get to 27. So I had to write my 9s 3 times. So that means that my width is 3 units. Let's take a look at number 8. It says Megan set up 2 tables at the Arts and Crafts show to display her work. The diagram shows the identical tables Megan set up. It says to break apart each table into different pairs of rectangles. Then find the total area of each table. So let's take a look at the first one. I'm going to divide it into 2 rectangles. So the first rectangle that I see is right here. So that means that the area is equal to length times width. The area, what is the length of this rectangle? That would be 3 feet. And the width would be 6. So area is equal to 3 times 6. So what is 3 times 6? Write your 6's 3 times. You get a total of 18 square feet for that one rectangle. Now let's take a look at the other rectangle. I see it right here. So that means to find the area, I need to solve length times width. The length is going to be 2 feet. The width is 3 feet. So A equals 2 times 3, which we know is 6 square feet. Next, what I need to do is I need to add the 18 square feet plus the 6 square feet. I'm going to write down my labels so I don't forget. 8 plus 6 is 14. I'm going to write the 4 and carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So the area for both rectangles is 24 square feet. Your assignment is to do number 1, number 2, and number 4. When you are finished, check the answer keys at the front of the room. Put your packet in your take-home folder. Next, grab a mixed review. It's only one side. Make sure you put your name on it. When you finish, it goes in the turn-in tray. If you don't finish, it is homework. See you next time.